What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another vlog on the Before the Storm channel. I got a brand new spoiler for the TLX and it is a OEM style type of wing. And I say style type of wing because this is actually a replica from eBay. And I bought this for $110 and it came painted. So I was pretty excited about that. And shout out to Jules Senpai for the air fresheners. And I got some stickers inside as well from Demon Slayer. I really love the art style, so had to get that. And then we got the main character right there. Go focus. By the way, I hope you guys enjoyed the accurate TLX bag install video. If you want to check it out right here. And it should give you an idea of how to install bags and definitely like where to run your lines and harness and everything. And also I want to go ahead and show you guys my trunk setup because I didn't really go in depth with that. And this car is coming together very nicely. I love all the little things I've been doing here and there, like the license plate frames and all the little things I did inside. So it's a little messy in here. I haven't thrown away these towels, but we'll be using them in a little bit. So here's the trunk setup. I have the Airlift 3P management and one compressor. It's just kind of big, but we're definitely gonna have to go 2 compressors later on because I don't feel comfortable just running one. It's pretty simple, guys. Just got the water trap right there, the tank, this harness. I could probably hide that better. And I also have a cargo mat for the trunk because I did have another TLX before. Came with this cargo mat. And I was actually supposed to put this in before I velcroed everything down. And that's how this plate is down, so with velcro. So I'm gonna fix that in a little bit, or I might just keep the carpet just to keep it simple. Let me show you guys how this looks like without the spoiler. Still very clean. I just love the overall look of this car because it's so aggressive and it looks like it has a little duckbill in the back. And it fits really good, surprisingly. I think it'll be smart if I get some tape and kind of like make a border so I don't fuck it up when I install it. Oh, it's a little dark, my bad guys. But pretty much that's how it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that and we'll do a little time lapse. Always make sure you clean your trunk. And there's like still shit on here. But that's fine, the spoiler will be covering it. Gotta make sure this shit don't come off, you know what I'm saying? So this mod was a little bit of a fail. I thought it was gonna be something pretty simple, but usually the simple things turns into the most pain in the ass type of things. And with the spoiler, it's a little uneven, so we have just a little bit of gap right there. That's fine, you know, it's normal. You come over here and there's a big ass gap. This spoiler is really aggressive and I love it. That would have been dope if this came in carbon fiber. I definitely would be rocking that. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. Did this video help you guys? And remember, I'll leave the link for this in the description as well. Again, huge shout outs to Jules Senpai for the air freshener. I had to get it. This art style is just amazing and I love Itachi. But let's go ahead and unwrap it. Let's see what this smells like. I hope it's like cherry or something. Oh, okay, this is black ice. Gonna do a little air freshener collection. And starting off, we have Itachi. If any of you guys make your own stickers or air fresheners, please DM me. I would be glad to support you guys by buying some of your stuff. And I'm an artist myself. This style is freaking amazing, so I would love to see what you guys would create as well. Since I'm gonna start a brand new air freshener collection, the car does really look good at this height. And the side angle is one of my favorite views. I wish I could drive the car like this, but never again. Ever since the TSX, I learned my lesson, and this is a newer car, so I want to preserve it. We're gonna go ahead and order the whole lip kit for the TLX. I have a buddy of mine that's a service manager at Acura, and I'm getting hooked up with some really good prices. So if you guys need anything, let me know. We're for sure gonna have to get some fog lights for the fronts because this thing's looking a little naked, and I might or might not do a front plate delete. Well, if you guys made it to the end of the video, I appreciate you so much for sticking around. To the guys that support my build and what I chose, thank you guys so much. I'm really proud of myself for being able to afford this car. I work really hard at my job, and I'm gonna work super hard so I can afford the parts that I want. I'm gonna make this a quality build, and I planned everything out, so it's not gonna be like the TSX where I was just doing random things. I mean, mind you, I was a broke college kid. I just worked at Discount Tire making minimum wage, so I did the best I can with that build, and it turned out pretty sick. But with this one, I'm gonna for sure build it right and get everything I want. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great weekend and take care of yourselves. Peace.